Hey guys, welcome to Login Apps. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Amazon Jobs account on your computer. And now let's dive right in now. First, in order to log into your Amazon Jobs account, first you'll be required to open your preferred browser on your computer. Like I've already opened the Google Chrome, and after opening your browser, click on the search bar like this and type in account.amazon.jobs like this and hit enter, and then you'll be redirected to the login page of Amazon Jobs account. If you had signed up for Amazon Jobs to your Amazon.com account, you can log into your Amazon Jobs account from the login Amazon or with the Google itself. But if you have a separate Amazon Jobs account, here is the portal for you. Enter your email address over here, and after that click on continue, and on the next step you'll be required to enter your password, and after that you'll be able to sign into your Amazon Jobs account on your computer like this. Or if you have not yet created an Amazon Jobs account, or if you do not work for Amazon, you can directly sign up for Amazon Jobs from over here, which is the create one, and it will take you to a sign up portal of the Amazon Jobs where you can specify a lot of details for your work. With that being said, this is how you log into your Amazon Jobs account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more video. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.